Carboxytherapy, no wonder we call it the miracle gas, because it truly has so many beneficial parts to carboxy. And we can start it as young in a young teenage skin where they're developing acne lesions. So what we do when a young teen or patient gets acne lesions, we inject around the acne lesion, and that immediately puts carbon dioxide into the skin, which changes to carbonic acid, and that kills off the C. acnes, that's the bacteria that causes the acne. And then it's quite incredible, because I mentioned that it changes it brings growth factors, and it has hormonal influences around the area that you've injected. And what it does, once you've injected the carbon dioxide gas, it actually decreases the dihydrotestosterone, which is a very powerful testosterone that causes acne. So you get a decrease in the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, and you have less dihydrotestosterone in that area, which stimulates the oil glands to produce too much oil, which then is backed up by excessive skin on the surface. And then bacteria just love that mix. So it has an incredible effect on acne skin, and also on the acne scarring, because so it immediately starts treating the acne scarring, because you're bringing in all those amazing growth factors that stimulate collagen as well. Carboxy decreases inflammation. It helps for oxidative stress, and it also starts healing the acne wound and stops the conversion to the powerful testosterone called DHT. So once again, you have a multiplier effect when you're using carboxytherapy, which cannot be, no other treatment can actually give so many benefits from one injection. So think of carboxytherapy, when you inject carboxytherapy into the skin, whether you're doing cellulite, whether you're doing other areas, especially large body areas, you're actually causing a systemic effect, and you are decreasing inflammation, chronic inflammation in the body. Because what happens when you inject the carbon dioxide, that ball effect, which opens up all the capillaries, the blood rushes in, oxygen is improved, and you are improving oxygenation. And we all know that decreased tissue oxygenation is a big cause of chronic inflammation. So when you're having your cellulite done, and you're having your lymph drainage and your circulation improved, you're also improving the chronic inflammation in the body, because that whole effect that happens when you put carbon dioxide under the skin actually increases oxidative stress. It decreases the inflammatory molecules that signal, the inflammatory cytokines, and it increases oxygen in the area, and we know that decreases chronic inflammation. So it's a synergistic effect, and you're not only doing it for your beauty, you're actually doing it for your health. And we know that chronic inflammation is the cause of many diseases. So if you can increase chronic inflammation naturally, then you're going to have a health benefit as well. Most of us want to have bright eyes, and we find that when you wake up in the morning without our makeup, we've got these dark circles under the eyes. Because why? The eyelid skin is very thin. It's a third of the thickness of the skin on the face. It has no oil glands. And the eyelid, we're constantly blinking. We blink 22,000 times a day. So no wonder the eyes take a hammering as you get older. So what can we do, which is a quick fix to help the elasticity and the collagen and the circulation under the eye area? And what we do is carboxytherapy treatments, and our therapists are very well trained. What they do is they clean the area, and then they introduce the medical grade carbon dioxide gas just under the skin, a tiny amount, top and bottom lip and lid, and all around the eye area, a few injections to improve the lymphatic drainage of the eye area. The carboxy reduces inflammation around the areas, increases blood circulation to the area, because it increases that growth factor that increases circulation to the area, improves lymphatic drainage, helps for pigmentation, and you just get it, and then stimulates collagen and elastin to get that snapback test. which is so vital. I mean, it's like music to my ears when I hear that snap when you pull on your lower lid skin, and you know that your lower lid skin has improved elasticity. So by decreasing inflammation, increasing collagen and elastin, and improving the circulation to the area for the top and bottom lid, carboxytherapy is great if you want to have bright eyes.